Hello, in this video we are going to go over how to restore your Quickparts or overlay the template in a Mac computer. So restoring the Quickparts and overlaying the template are the exact same thing. If we say restoring Quickparts, we also mean overlaying the template. If we say overlaying the template, we still mean restoring the Quickparts. So the first thing you want to do is to download a new copy of your template. You can find a new copy in the Canvas course, or you can download a new copy from Scholars Junction. Once you have a new copy of your template, you want to make sure that you save it somewhere where you know exactly where to find it. Once you have the document downloaded, you will come to Tools. In the Apple menu, come down to Templates and Add-ins, and then come to Attach. And then you'll find your document. So you can double click, or you can click once and choose Open. You want to make sure this automatically update document styles is checked. And then you'll come down here to this plus sign, and again you'll find your document. You can double click or click once and then choose Open, and then you'll hit OK. Overlaying the template or restoring the Quickparts is the first step that we take in troubleshooting your document. So if you're having any kind of issue, we try that first. If you want to try that before sending it to us, you're more than welcome to do that. If you have any questions about the process or overlaying your Quickparts, feel free to contact us. You can find all of our contact information at the bottom of the home page here.